Hello everyone, my name is Daria and I'm here to help you with Russian. In this video, I will share with you one technique which helped me a lot with learning English, but a little background here. When I started this channel, I had really poor speaking skills in English. It was really hard for me to speak, not just in front of the camera, but just speak in English because it was hard. The words didn't come to my mind and I just couldn't make up the sentences. It was really hard, and that's why I started this channel, Learn Russian with me. What I've noticed, the more videos I made, the better my English became. But one day I realized that I just stuck in my speaking English. It was definitely better than I started, but I was stuck. And by the way, I started a new channel where I speak only English, and for now I show you the process, how I practice, how I'm improving my English. But later I will talk about travel, about lifestyle, and etc. I had this idea for a long time, but because of my English, I didn't created this English channel. Of course, you're welcome there, and you have been with me for a long time. I like to see your comments. I like to see you learning Russian. So let's get to the point. In autumn, I decided to change my way of improving my speaking skills, and I tried one technique which helped me a lot with my English, and I thought if it helped me with English, it can help you with Russian as well. The technique is easy. You just need, the first step is to find maybe the camera, maybe your phone or maybe your laptop. I prefer laptop. Step number 2, you just start to record yourself in front of the camera, and you may just start with telling your day in front of the camera. And you tell a story for 5 or 7 minutes. You don't need to do it for 10 and 15 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes, it's enough. Я сегодня проснулась в 10 часов утра. Сегодня суббота. Я пока не знаю свои планы на день, но я немного проголодалась и думаю, что я приготовлю себе поесть. So you got the idea, you record yourself, you can tell any stories in front of the camera. For example, you want to practice your past tense, and you told about yesterday. Я встала вчера в 10 часов утра, и у меня не было плана на день. When you want to talk about the present tense, you use story in the present tense, and it's about the future. So you can practice anything where you stuck. And if you don't want to practice, just start describing your day. That's it. This is the easiest part. It was really difficult for me. Even I have B2 level in English. I am an upper intermediate, and I'm going to C1 to the fluency level. So in the beginning it was really hard because I just didn't use general vocabulary on a daily basis. And I believe that you don't use Russian vocabulary, Russian general vocabulary on a daily basis. And I think you will like this technique. Please just try it and write in a comment section what results you get in 2 weeks. Not now, because you need some time to get the result. Just don't give up in the beginning. Just keep it up. Keep it up. Step number 3, you rewatch what you've recorded. First benefit, you will see the mistakes you make when you speak. And the second benefit, when you tell about your day in front of the camera, you use your words in your native language. So these words you have to learn in Russian. It was the new idea for me because when you speak, you stuck because you don't know how to say these words in the other language. In your native language, you use these words, and next time when you tell about your day, more likely you will say the same words that you don't know in English. And this technique helps you to define these words you don't know in Russian and just start to memorizing them. And the next time when you retell this story, you will remember these words and you will not stuck at this moment of your speech. Maybe you will stuck later, will recognize the words you don't know in Russian, but you want to use it. After this technique, you will fill these gaps in your vocabulary. And the fourth step is to write down the words you didn't know, and then you learn it. This is the technique, the only 4 steps. And as you see, you will spend just only 15 minutes to practice your Russian. In the beginning of this technique, I retell the same story maybe 2 times. And then after 2 weeks, I just didn't have to do it because I knew the whole words, and I started describing not my day, but I started talking about my feelings because I don't have enough vocabulary to talk about my feelings. Of course, you will tell anything in front of the camera and improve your vocabulary. I suggest you to try this technique for at least 2 weeks and try to do it every day for 15 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes for recording and 5 to 7 minutes to rewatch it, and that's it. 15 minutes per day. I insist that you must try this technique because it was incredible when I realized that it really helped me. As a bonus, I was searching for a platform for learning English for a long time. I did it sporadically, and what I saw, I didn't like it because the structure on this site was too difficult, and even I, as a native speaker, didn't understand what should I do to study Russian on this site, on this platform. But I have found this platform and I think it's incredible, and I'm going to show you what I found. The platform is called Yuna, and I'm going to show you what you will see and what you will find. You can practice literally everything here. Yuna has a free version and a paid version. I'm going to show you a free version, and if you like it, you can upgrade your access, and I have a bonus for you. I will tell you a little bit later. So, what you find on this site? You may see here 4 blocks. The grammar, the most difficult part in Russian language, as you know. When you go to this site, you may see that everything is in Russian, but you can change the language and turn on English. There are 4 blocks of information: grammar, reading, vocabulary, and phrasebook. Let's start with grammar for A1 and A2. It's for beginners, but it's a free version, and you may see only 16 free lessons. Let's go to cases, and as a beginner, you want to start with nominative case. You go here and you read the description. Who is that? What is that? Кто это? Что это? Это Маша. Это коробка. And you may hear where you should put the stress in this word. Это Маша. Коробка. Got it? The next task. Кто это или что это? Write the right questions under the pictures. Кто это? Это мама. Что это? Это письмо. Кто это? Это кот. And you may check task. Let's see. Yeah, 100% correct. The next task is to fill the gaps. And at first you read это кошка, and you know that кошка is an animate object. And you write кто это? Папа. Папа тоже кто? Что это? And etc. And you check the task. The next task is free, and you may see that you have 4 tasks for theoretic information. You read this theory information and you do 5 tasks. Yeah, and you will do the same with 6 cases, and you read theoretical information and then you do the tasks. I think it's really cool. It has a great structure. You know what to do and you just practice your cases. Yeah, we see here the verbs, present tense, past tense, it's future tense. Let's go to past tense. And you have reading and listening. This is for all levels, from the very beginners and to C1 level. This is for those of you who want to improve their reading and listening skills. You choose your level, for example, B1, and you choose skill. It's listening and it's reading, чтение. For example, you want to improve your listening skills. Subject, it doesn't matter. Grammar, you can choose the grammar as well, but let's not to choose it. And for free. You have the only one for B1 level, but let's see all levels. 4 blocks of information are for free. Let's check this one. Why foreign people go to Russia? It's for A2. You here see the audio.
Лихао, ты прекрасно говоришь по-русски. Скажи, пожалуйста, как долго ты изучаешь русский язык?
At first, you may just listen to this audio by yourself without text. And if you don't understand what's going on in the text, you start reading it's not subtitles, but it's transcription of the audio, and you can do at the same time.
Уже 3 года. Сначала я изучал русский язык в школе в Китае, а теперь изучаю его здесь, в Москве.
And also you see the questions here. You choose the right versions and you may check yourself. I did it randomly and it's correct. It's funny. Next, it's about listening and reading. Let's see what we have here else. We have vocabulary, but it's not for free. Yeah. Vocabulary and phrase book. As you see here in the phrase book, there is not much free information. And let's check the phrase book for A1 and C1. Yeah, for free we have the only one lesson, but you may check it. Formal greetings and informal. Formal greetings. When you talk to director, teacher, professor, salesman, doctor, stranger. Yeah, when you address to a teacher, to a salesman, you say вы. And you say здравствуйте, not привет. And you can listen to the phrase.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
I like the site because there are pictures here, it's user-friendly, and I understand if I want to improve my grammar and I know what I want to improve. It's cases. I go to cases and I work with only with cases and do the exercises. But if you like the structure of the site, you can upgrade your access to this site. And what is the bonus? You may use promo code and you will get 10% discount. There are 2 options for getting access to this site. The premium for a year. In dollars, it's $49. In euro, it's €44 per year. You don't want to study with this site for a year and you can buy half a year. In dollars, it's $29 and in euros, it's €28 for half a year. I got a discount for you and you can use this promo code Daria10, apply, and you get 10% discount. Instead of $49, you pay $44. And in euro, instead of €44, you pay €39. And go to payment. And here you write your card number, expiration date, and other information and confirm. And that's it. So it was made especially for you. By the way, it's not that much. It's not that much for half a year and for a year in general. And I think the structure is very useful and it's user friendly. You understand everything what you read, and the site has English version and Russian version. If you want to make it harder, turn on the Russian version and try to read it in Russian. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please write your comments, write your thoughts in the comment section. As I already said, I like to watch your comments because many of you were with me since the beginning, and I appreciate it, and I like that we have this small community of people who want to speak Russian. Thank you for watching, and bye.